Morning students, I hope you all are very good, right? So children, welcome back to your maths class. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 9, that is measurement. Okay, all of you open your page number 125. Okay, here is our chapter number 9, measurement, right? So yesterday we have done this let's get started exercise, and we have even done the introduction part of measurement. Yes, so today we are going to read more about measurement of length. Okay, so let's read about it. Measuring length. We learnt about uniform non-standard units of length in class 1. Yes, we have already read it. We know that what are hand span, what is foot span, what is cubit or what is space, right? Hand span ऐसे हाथ से नापने को बोलते थे, foot span पैरों से नाप लेते थे, है ना? And cubit and pace also we know, right? And after that we have learned that how we can measure the things with the help of paper clips, with the help of matchsticks, with the help of pens, with the help of erasers, right? So now we will come on a result that we can measure length in terms of मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर, है ना? हम लेंथ को, लंबाई को किस में नाप सकते हैं? हम उसको मीटर या सेंटीमीटर में नाप सकते हैं. यस, सो टू हैव एन एग्जैक्ट मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ इंस्टेड ऑफ एन एस्टिमेशन, क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था, पहले जब लोगों के पास मीटर्स का ये नहीं था, मीटर सेंटीमीटर्स के लिए इंची टेप नहीं हुआ करते थे, ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं होती थी, तब लोग अपने हाथों से या अपने पैरों से या किसी चीज़ को मेजर करके उनसे ही चीज़ों को लेते थे और देते थे, है ना? आपस में एक्सचेंज जो करते थे चीज़ें, वो लेंथ मेजर करने के लिए वो लोग अपने हैंड्स का यूज़ करते थे, फीट का यूज़ करते थे. सो दे वर नोन एज हैंड स्पैन, फुट स्पैन, क्यूबिट और पेस, राइट? विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज टर्म्स, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, दे वर यूजिंग to measure the length. Yes, they used to measure the length with the help of these things, right? But now when we up, क्योंकि उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आती थी, इफ़ इन केस माई हैंड इज़ बिग, आई एम ग्रोन अप, so my hand is big, right? And if you are small, you are a child, your hand is small. So उसमें क्या होता था, किसी के पास कम चीज़ चली जाती थी, किसी के पास ज़्यादा चीज़ आ जाती थी. So because of that problem we have made this meter and centimeter, yes, so that the things will be fixed, है ना? तो कि लेंथ जो है वो सबको बिल्कुल इक्वल ही मिले, राइट? सो फॉर दैट अ मीटर इज़ यूज टू मेजर लॉन्गर लेंथ. जब हमें लंबी चीज़ें कोई नापनी होती है, कोई बड़ी चीज़ को मेजर करना होता है, सपोज दैट इफ़ आई हैव टू मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ दिस बोर्ड, so I will use meter, yes. But if I want to measure this, I want to measure the length of this textbook, I will use centimeters, yes. सो छोटी जो चीज़ें होती हैं, शॉर्टर जो थिंग्स होती हैं, शॉर्टर लेंथ्स को मेजर करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग सेंटीमीटर, एंड फॉर लॉन्गर लेंथ्स वी आर यूजिंग मीटर. ओके, एंड 1 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर? इन 1 मीटर 100 सेंटीमीटर्स कम, राइट? सो a centimeter, as we already know that a centimeter is used to measure shorter lengths. ठीक है, जैसे हम कहीं गए, हाँ, if we want to purchase a cloth, ना, हमें कपड़ा खरीदना है, हम गए शॉपकीपर के पास, so we will ask them for meters. Yes, we said them, we told them to give us 2 meter cloths or 3 meter cloths or 2.5 meter cloths. Like this we have to ask, yes, so that they will give us the not the estimated length, but the fixed length. Okay, that is why they give us the fixed length of that particular cloth, right? So here in this scale you can see that this scale is of 15 centimeters. Yes, so this scale is of 15 centimeters and this is known as 1 centimeter. Yes, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. Okay, so this one block is equal to 1 centimeter, right? Now if I have to find out the length of this pencil, so here I have kept the pencil. Yes, here I have kept my pencil on this scale, and now I am asking you that how big is my pencil. So you have to answer me. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.5. ओके, ये 5 तक आ रहा है ना, तो 13.5 सेंटीमीटर की होगी. ओके, and here this pencil which is shown in the picture, it is of 9 centimeter, right? So they have written 9 centimeter, right? Now here we have to measure the length of this eraser. So measure it. It is 3 centimeter. So we will write here 3, right? So I hope you got it. Yes. Okay, so now we have to do exercise based on this length, measurement of length. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so here is our exercise 9A, which is a longer measurement. Meter is bigger or centimeter? Yes, we know that for measuring longer lengths we need meter. So meter is the correct answer, right students? Okay, right. Now second question is, circle the pictures which you think are less than 1 meter. Okay, here the question is that 1 meter से less होना चाहिए. Okay, 1 meter is equals to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter, right? So 100 centimeter, बहुत सारे centimeters होते हैं. Yes, so length of train, yes, it is more than 1 meter. Yes, but we have to circle the pictures that are less than 1 meter, है ना, जो कि 1 meter से less है. So here length of a pencil box, length of a pencil box कितना होगा? Yes, it is less than 1 meter, right? If I take my own box, this length is also less than 1 meter, right? So just like this, I can say that this length is less, right? Less than 1 meter. डोर की हाइट अगर मैं मेजर करूँ तो ये 1 मीटर से ज़्यादा होगी, राइट? बिकॉज 1 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. सो 100 सेंटीमीटर से ये ज़्यादा ही होगी. यस, सो दिस इज़ नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर. यस, वॉलेट, पर्स होता है, पापा का पर्स जो होता है. यस, द लेंथ ऑफ दैट वॉलेट इज लेस देन 1 मीटर. यस, लेस देन ही होगी 1 मीटर से. यस, सो वी हैव टू सर्कल दिस. ओके, so two things, that is length of a pencil box and length of a wallet, they both are less than 1 meter, right? ये 1 meter से यानी कि 100 centimeter से ये दोनों चीज़ें कम होगी. okay, and length of train and height of a door are more than a meter. Yes, that is why we have not circled these pictures, right? Now see the next question. The next question is, circle the pictures which you think are more than 1 centimeter. सेंटीमीटर की बात हो रही है. अब सेंटीमीटर हमने पढ़ा था, वी हैव रेड. सेंटीमीटर तो इतना सा ही होता है, बस थोड़ा सा, है ना, दिस मच बिग. ओके, सो हेयर वी हैव टू सी दिस इज लेस देन अ सेंटीमीटर. यस, सो वी विल नॉट सर्कल इट, वी विल सर्कल दिस. यस, बिकॉज दिस इज मोर देन 1 centimeter. दिस इज ऑल्सो मोर देन 1 centimeter, राइट? And this is also more than 1 centimeter, right? Yeah, so these three are more than 1 centimeter. Length of a pen is more than 1 centimeter. Length of a sharpener is also more than 1 centimeter, and length of a shoe is also more than 1 centimeter, right? Centimeter से ज़्यादा ही है इसकी भी length, pen की भी length, and sharpener's length, and length of a shoe, right? And dot is quite smaller than 1 centimeter. Okay, that is why we have circled out these three things, right? Now move on to next question. Now our next question is, write which measurement, either we use meter or centimeter, can be used to measure the following. Okay, so length of a bed, length of bed की अगर मुझे measurement लेनी है, length of bed लेना है, तो of course it is more than, yes, it is more than centimeter. So it will definitely in meters, है ना, meters में ही होगा. Length of thumb की length अगर मुझे देखनी है तो वो सेंटीमीटर में होगी, right? Wall, length of wall, yes, मीटर में होगा, है ना, बड़ा है. Length of cupboard, तो cupboard की length जो है वो भी हमारी किस में आएगी? yes, वो भी हमारी मीटर में आएगी, right? So we have taken this as meter and centimeter. Okay, so length of bed, अगर मैं bed को देखूँ, see children, this is a bed and bed की जो length है, लंबाई, वो हमारी ज़्यादा है, right? see, yes, So this will definitely be measured in meter, not in centimeter, right? The length of cupboard is also in meters because this is too lengthy. Yes, it's too lengthy. It's from top to bottom. Yes, that is why it can be measured in meters, not in centimeters, right? So children, now I hope you all are able to measure things in meter and centimeter, and you are most aware of, yes, meters and centimeters. Yes, that what can be measured in meters and what cannot be measured in meters. Yes children, so practice it at home. Okay, so now we are going to do an exercise in your notebook in which you have to tell me that for measuring the particular thing you have to use which unit. Yes, which unit is used to measure the given things. Okay, so let's start doing that exercise. So children, you have to write down, yes, write which measurement, meter or centimeter, can be used to measure the following. Okay, so our first thing is length of a green board. आपके स्कूल में जो green board है जिसपे हम मैम पढ़ाती हैं आपको green board पर, yes, in which measurement is used to measure it. Yes, length उसकी हम किस में measure करेंगे, meter और centimeter? Yes, it is measured in meter. Okay, because that is more than centimeter, right? Now length of a book. So book हमारे पास एक है, we are having a book. See, book की जो length है वो हम किस में measure करेंगे? Of course we will measure it in the centimeter. Okay, so we will measure the length of book in centimeter. Length of a साड़ी. साड़ी की लेंथ जो होती है, इफ़ यू विल आस्क योर मामा, शी विल टेल यू दैट लेंथ ऑफ अ साड़ी की लेंथ हमेशा मीटर्स में होती है, राइट? ओके, लेंथ ऑफ अ सूटकेस आपने देखा जिसमें हम कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, व्हेन वी आर गोइंग somewhere outside, yes, on a long journey for 2 or 3 days, we usually take the suitcase with us. Yes, so that suitcase, the length of that suitcase will be measured in centimeter, right? Length of a bed sheet, बेड पे जो हम बेड शीट बिछाते हैं, चादर जो बिछाते हैं, that bed sheet is measured in meters, right? लेंथ ऑफ अ मोबाइल फ़ोन जो आपके हाथ में है, जिसमें आप अभी काम देख रहे हो, असाइनमेंट्स यू आर डूइंग, यू आर studying these days, the length of this mobile phone is also measured in centimeters. Yes, and what is the length of a marker is measured in? Yes, length of marker is also measured in centimeters, right? So this is your today's assignment that you have to do in your maths notebook. Okay children, so again I am repeating the questions. Length of a green board is measured in meters, length of a book is measured in centimeters, length of a sari is measured in meters, length of a suitcase is measured in centimeter, length of a bed sheet is measured in meter, length of a mobile phone है ना, मोबाइल फ़ोन जो है उसको मेजर हम करेंगे सेंटीमीटर में, एंड लेंथ ऑफ अ मार्कर इज मेजर्ड इन सेंटीमीटर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो आई होप you have understood the difference between meter and centimeter, and now you are able to measure the lengths of different things on your own, right? So which unit we will use for to measure that particular object. Okay, there are many things at your place, at your home, that you can measure the length of, yes, either in meters or in centimeters. So kindly check it out. Okay, and stay home, stay safe, keep enjoying your studies. Okay, God bless you all.